welcome to Friends Test Kitchen. Today we're gonna make two different types of ramen noodle dishes. So you may be familiar with it from your college days or just those days you just wanted something quick and easy, but it's those instant noodles that come in a pack. But Catherine and I are gonna try a couple recipes that we saw on the internet that add a twist to kind of elevate the flavor and to change it up for you on a regular basis. So we're gonna try, one is a cold ramen, which is kind of like a murningmyeon in a Korean dish, which is really popular in the summer. And the other one we're gonna try is a ramen that's made with milk broth. And I know for many of you that kind of sounds crazy. I felt the same way, but that was reason enough for us to give it a try. So we're gonna start with the cold ramen first. We're gonna test it on the ease of making it and of course on taste. So let's get started with the cold ramen. We've got our water going, but you're gonna want a pot of water boiling and any kind of ramen noodle. You have your seasoning packet, and then you may or may not have, I guess it's like a veggie packet. It's just dried up vegetable or seaweed pieces. If you have it, put it in now. All right, we just finished cooking the noodles. We strained it, and then you want to make sure you rinse it in cold water. And this is important because this is a cold noodle dish. One, it's going to stop the cooking, and two, you want everything from this point on to be cold when you put it in the bowl. So while that sits in the strainer, we're going to start on our broth. So we will, in a large bowl, add your seasoning packet that you should have in your ramen package. And add sugar, soy sauce, and vinegar. Blend it, and then as soon as it's blended, you can go ahead and add some cold water and some ice. So we're gonna start thinking about presentation at this point. And then we're just going to arrange the cucumbers, or actually any vegetable you want. Something that's cold, adding a little crunchy texture. Hard-boiled egg, if you like it a little runny, then you can make it a little softer. And then, just for added touch garnish, is some sesame seeds. Mine looks like a face. I'm gonna eat you later.
Look at it, look how pretty it is. So we are ready to make the milk ramen. This is the one I'm really interested in making. I saw the video and it just sounded crazy to just take the water out and then have your ramen with milk instead. Okay, so we're gonna use the same kind of ramen that we used earlier. You know, you would assume that why don't we just cook the ramen in the milk, right? Well, apparently, you know, milk boils faster, so it would just overflow. So put your noodles like you normally do in water for a couple minutes, and then we're going to pour it out, and then we're gonna put it back in the bowl with some milk. But I will give you one tip. One very important tip that was given in the video was that you have to use whole milk. None of the 2% or skim milk. I know we're all kind of watching a waistline. I don't know how it turned out if you used milk alternative.
Well, I'll tell you because I'll be using 2% milk. I'm sure it'll taste better with whole milk, guaranteed.
All right, noodles are nice and strained. We're gonna pour it back into the pot, and we're gonna add our milk. Now we're going to add in the seasoning pack as well. Ooh.
It smells good.
It looks good. All right, let's put sour green onions on top and taste everything. All right, guys, we are done with our ramens. We have our ice cold ramen ready and our creamy milk ramen ready. Gina, are you ready to taste?
Wait, which one are you gonna try first?
All right.
Which one should we do first?
Let's do the hot. We'll do the hot first.
Okay.
Right?
The milk.
And then we'll wash it out with the coolness.
Okay. In case it's
I'm
not
gonna
good.
taste the broth.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
All right.
Ready? What?
This is really good. As weird as it sounds. Oh, that's really good.
Oh my God. Okay. next before I devour this.
Oh, okay. All right.
Are you sad that we're moving on?
Yeah,
Jenna?
kind of.
Okay,
right.
so now we're gonna wash this down with the ice cold ramen. I'm really excited. Okay, I'm gonna taste the broth first.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
It's really light and refreshing. I want to try it with the noodles.
Okay. This is good too. For really quick, instant naengmyeon, like the Koreans have, this is a really good quick substitute.
I know it sounds crazy because it's not that healthy, but I feel healthier eating this cold version.
I would say I feel more refreshed. I don't know if I feel healthy.
The ease of making it, a 5.
Yeah, and it's the main ingredient is instant ramen noodles, so can't get easier than that. And then taste.
Now, in terms of taste, okay, so the creamy version is my jam. It's my favorite one. I think this is my favorite over this, but this is still good too.
Yep.
I'm gonna give both of them a 5. I mean, because my mind is blown at the milk one. Oh yeah, so okay guys, this was really easy. Just 2 unconventional ways of making easy ramen at home, just changing a couple things up. We give this a thumbs up. And we'll link the original video that inspired this taste test so that you guys can see their steps. And we will, see you guys next week. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe so that we can make more. And comment. We want to hear what you want us to make next. All right?
Thanks
for joining us, and we'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.